Hi, my name is Steve Pace, and I'm here today to introduce you to my new invention, the Sushi Master, the fastest and easiest way to make sushi at home. The first thing we need to start with is a good fresh piece of nori, the seaweed that we most typically associate with good sushi. The next we need sushi rice. From there, we take the nori, we place it on a flat surface, and we use the Sushi Master rice frame. We place it over the seaweed, we put rice on the nori, and we use the Sushi Master rice press. We press it down evenly along the Sushi Master rice frame, guaranteeing a firm, consistent depth to the rice. And that's one of the most essential parts to making really good sushi, is to have it firmly stuck to the nori at a consistent depth. We remove the rice frame and gently take the rice and the seaweed and place it on the Sushi Master. We're going to start by making spicy tuna rolls, which are one of my favorites. Now the Sushi Master rolls these rolls very, very tightly, so you don't want to overfill your roll with filling, because the nori is very delicate and will tear. But that's the great thing about the Sushi Master, is it keeps it all intact and doesn't give you any chance to tear it if you get just the right quantity. After we've added the main ingredient, a little bit of cucumber for crunch and texture, and then avocado. We close the Sushi Master roller pins around the ingredients. Use the Sushi Master spatula to lightly tap the ingredients down into the roll. With a few quick twists. Use a little kitchen brush with a little bit of water to moisten the seaweed. First time around, we have a perfect sushi roll. Sharp knife into a little bit of water so that it cuts through the rice. First time around, easy does it. We have a perfect sushi roll. Make a sushi roll with rice on the inside. We're going to show you how to make a hard one, rice on the outside. Just like last time, we start with a fresh piece of nori on a hard surface. We add the rice frame. You stick the rice to the nori. We use the rice press, get it moist, making sure to press the rice beneath the edge of the rice frame, sticking it carefully. Then we're going to add some toasted sesame seeds. These are awesome. Once again, we'll use the rice press to embed the sesame seeds into the roll. We'll carefully lift up the nori and rice. We have to flip it over. Put it onto the Sushi Master. And then we're going to make my favorite roll, which happens to be the roasted eel, or unagi. Take the eel, put it in there. Just like last time, add a little bit of cucumber. And then some avocado. And like last time, we take the roller pins, we close it over our ingredients. We take the Sushi Master spatula, and we press the ingredients into the roll. Close the rollers, wrap it back and forth. We have our eel roll. And grab our sharp knife. Once again, we have the master, the magic of the sushi man, right at home. One of the hardest things to make. Rice on the outside with an eel roll. One last touch. Use a little bit of homemade eel sauce.